Following on from our previous video, let's say we've got a function looking something like this, and using our fish tank analogy, we've established that the average value of f is given by this, and we can imagine this as being the height from here to here. Okay, so this is our water level here. So the amount of water here is the same as the amount of water here. It's conserved. So to work out the height here, well, we've established that the average value of f is really, in a way, the height of this water level here. So now let's extend the mean value theorem for definite integrals. Okay, so hang on. So what it's saying is that if f of x is continuous on the interval a b here, so if f of x is continuous from a to b, then there must exist a value c in between a and b, such that this thing here equals our average value of f. So hang on. So this thing here, when you see this thing here, imagine this as being the water level here. Okay, so this thing here is the water level here. So the average value here, hang on, let me just extend this. So this level here is our average value of f here. So what this is saying is that if f of x is continuous, then there must exist a value c somewhere in between a and b. So there must be a c somewhere in between a and b, such that f of c equals this thing here. So hang on. So this is our average value of f here. So our function f of x, so that's you moving from here, moving along here, all the way to the end here. Well, what it's saying is that along the journey there must exist a value c where f of c equals our average height. So in this case here is right here. So this is our value of c here. So what it's saying is that if you have a continuous function from traveling from a to b here, somewhere along the journey, it must cross our average value here. So in a way, this is very similar to the mean value theorem. If you think about it, if you have any function, let's say if you have any function, so this here, let's just guess this as being our average value here. So in between a and b, let's say b is here. So traveling from here to here, somewhere along the journey there must exist a c where f of c equals our average. So c in this case happens to be here. So somewhere along the journey, as long as f of x is continuous, somewhere along the journey it must cross our average value. Okay, so even if you have something like this, I don't know, something like this. So let's just say the average is somewhere down here. So let's say this here is a, and this here is b. You see, somewhere along the journey, so we've got to start from here and get to b here. So somewhere along the journey here, it must cross our average value, which happens to be right here. So this is our c here. So there must exist a c somewhere between a and b, where f of c, where f of c equals our average. Okay. Yeah, I hope you understand it. So this is our mean value theorem for definite integrals. Okay.